Introducing the Wire EDM Universal Clamping Kit, the ultimate solution for mounting and clamping work pieces of varying sizes on your Wire EDM machine. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this versatile kit offers accuracy, flexibility, and reliability that rivals the best in the industry, including Gerardi, Vertex, and more. Precision is the heartbeat of Wire EDM machining, and versatility is the key to unlocking its full potential. Let's delve into what makes this kit a game changer. Designed to handle square and long parts effortlessly, this kit is the perfect companion for your Wire EDM machine. Whether you're working with small, delicate components or large heavy-duty parts, our solution provides rock-solid clamping. The body of this clamping kit can be finely tuned in X, Y, and Z dimensions, allowing you to achieve the perfect setup for your specific workpiece. With these precise adjustments, you can ensure that every cut and operation is spot on, reducing scrap and saving valuable time. Quality is at the core of the RHSW5980. Crafted from robust stainless steel, this kit is built to withstand the rigors of industrial use.
Thanks for watching. If you're looking to cut downtime and boost precision, check out our full range of CNC and EDM work holding tools. We've got solutions for every setup: System 3R, Vises, and more.